Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I will show you how to replace hard drive or install SSD drive in laptop. To disassemble you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, Torx T5 screwdriver. Also I recommend using a magnetic mat in repair process and laying out each screw step by step during disassembly, which is especially useful in case of this laptop, and it is very important not to confuse them during assembly. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Remove the screws securing hard drive cage. This laptop has 2.5-inch hard drive with SATA 3 interface. You can install any hard drive or SSD compatible with SATA interface. In the description I left link where to buy new HDD or SSD for upgrade. Also in the description I left link to a video where I explain the difference in types of SSD and hard drive between M2 SSD. This laptop has M2 slot for install M2 SSD, so I recommend watching this video. After installing the new SSD, you will need to transfer the old operating system to a new drive or install new operating system. In the description I will link to a video where I'll show you how to transfer Windows OS to a new SSD or how to install new operating system on new SSD drive. Well, that's all. You are on How-FixIT, and see you guys next time.